Hey everyone, welcome to Chaskava Engineering. I am Ahmed, and in this video, we're back again with another video for 2D sketching. This is the ninth video, I guess, in the 2D sketching series, and we're gonna cover everything, pretty much all of the concepts that go into the 2D sketching in CATIA V5. So in this video, we're gonna be making this sketch in 2 dimensions. We're not gonna go. We're gonna be making this sketch in 2 dimensions. We won't cover the 3D modeling because that is for the series after the 2D sketching. So yeah, um, yeah. Without any further ado, we're gonna hop into it. So yeah, like always, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to this channel because that is what supports it. And if you like this video, leave a comment, and you can also like this video as well. Um, if you have any questions, you can also DM me on Instagram or leave a comment in the comment section below. So, yeah, let's get into it. So in this video, I'm sorry, in this sketch, um, what I can see here is that, as I've already mentioned in one of in my previous videos, that I always look for symmetries in the sketch. So in this sketch, you can see here is that this whole thing is symmetrical about this horizontal axis. Let me see if it's recording. Yeah. So if in this, it's symmetrical about this horizontal axis. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna sketch everything that is above this horizontal axis, that is this circular arcs and everything. And I'm gonna use the mirror property, this one, to copy this whole thing and basically mirror it on the other side so that it completes the sketch. It's gonna make our life way easier. So to start off with, I'm gonna make these construction lines to aid in our um, um, we call it sketching. So I'm gonna first select the line element, and I'm gonna select the construction slash standard element, which makes our line element as a construction line. So that is the first horizontal axis, and then we have the vertical axis right through the center, right through the origin. Then we have two vertical construction lines and this horizontal line. So I'm gonna make this here, right over here, and then we have, so the distance between this axis, this construction line, and the central construction line, or axis if you want, is the is this divided by 2, because this is equidistant from the central axis, so it's gonna be 36 divided by 2. So it's just gonna be 18 essentially. So I'm gonna select that. It's gonna be 36 divided by 2. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make this and mirror this on the other side with this as the reference axis. So there you go. And then we have this line over here. It's gonna be, there you go. And the distance between this, the origin, if you may, or this horizontal axis to this horizontal axis is going to be 50. So there you go. It's going to be 50. So one more thing is that if you see here, the central point is going to be the central point for these two concentric circles. So we need a point over here. To do that, I'm going to select this intersection point. I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna select these two lines, and it's gonna create a point where these two intersect, which is at this point. I'm gonna select this and this, and it has created a point over here. And this is where we are gonna make this circle. Yeah. Okay, so we have drawn all the construction lines, so let's get into sketching. So the first thing I'm gonna make is these two concentric circles. I'm gonna select the circle tool, and I'm gonna make it, And I'm going to deselect the construction slash standard element because now we don't need any construction circle. We need the actual element, standard element. So the radius, the diameter of this circle is going to be 10 millimeters. There you go. And then we have, sorry, then we have another circle over here with a diameter of 26 millimeters. So we need one more circle, set of concentric circles over here, but I'm not gonna draw it again. I'm gonna just select them, use the mirror property, and use mirror it over here with this central axis as a reference axis. There you go. So yeah, we have that, and then we have this central arc, which is tangent on these sides to both of these circles. Move this constraint because it's going to mess with our thing. So there you go. It's going to make it tangent. Sorry. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to make it coincident, the center of the circle on this vertical axis. There you go. And now we have to So if you notice here, we only need the upper arc, half of the arc, and not the lower arc, lower arc. So I'm gonna use the quick trim option and get rid of it, the lower arc. And if you zoom in a bit, you see here that we still need to trim some bits off over here as well. There you go. If I move over here, it's gonna be this one. There you go. So now we have a clean tangential arc over these two circles. Then we have this arc here as well, the 24 millimeters diameter, just like that. Make the arc over here. So this one's already tangentially constrained. I'm gonna constrain these two as well. Constrain tangentially. And the diameter of this arc is gonna be 24 millimeters. So if I dimension this, it's gonna be 24. Again, we only need this part of the circle, not the lower one. So I'm gonna quick trim out of it. You know what? Now that I notice it, I could have only drawn this part of the circle, this part of the sketch, and I could have mirrored the other on the other side. So yeah, now I've noticed that. So, but don't worry, I've already drawn it, so it's fine. But yeah, I should have drawn it the other way so that it's more efficient. Okay, so now we have this circle here with a 40 millimeters diameter, the center of which is at our origin. There you go. And then we have a 40 millimeter diameter. Okay. And then I'm gonna make another circle over here with a diameter of 30. You know what? I'm just gonna full screen it. It's easier to see. So 30. Oh, sorry, 25. And the distance between this side to the origin of this origin is going to be 35, I guess. 65. Okay. Now we have one more circular arc. This one with a diameter of 60. this line is tangent to this arc and this arc as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the bitangent line, this one, and we're going to join them together, these two arcs, with that line. So if you notice here, this line is automatically tangentially constrained to these two arcs. So yeah, so now we have drawn these two arcs, but we don't need some parts of this arc. We don't need this part here. We don't need this part. We don't need these. So we don't need anything below this axis because obviously we have to use the mirror property and we're going to copy everything down there. So I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff here. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, so we have this part. So we only need this arc here and this line over here. I'm going to deselect it. So I'm going to make this arc over here. Just going to make a circle first here. So it's tangentially constrained here. And I'm going to make so the radius is going to be 12. Okay, and now we have to get rid of this part of the arc. It's like this. There we go. If I zoom in, I think I might be. Yeah, I know. Okay, zoom out. And then we have one line over here. So if I select so I'm going to manually constrain on this. So this has to be coincident on this line, which means it lies on this point. Coincidence basically means a certain element lies on a certain element. And this whole thing has to be vertical. Vertical. Okay. Yeah, now it's vertical because obviously it's like straight up in the air. So vertical. And this has to be coincident on this arc. Okay. And now this has to be tangential to this arc as well. So there you go. Now we have fully constrained line here. So if I remove all the constraints here, I'll notice that everything. So we've developed the one half of the part. But if I do that again, yeah. So if you notice here, this has this has to be okay. So this has to be a radius, not a diameter. Oops, sorry. Come on. So this has to be radius and not a diameter. Come on, man. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna select radius, make it 12. Okay, I'll delete this first. Delete this. Make another circle. There you go. So this is gonna be tangent. Is it tangent already? Let's see this line. Oh yeah, this is all. Okay, so this is gonna be tangent as well. Good. And this has to be 12 in radius. There you go. And now I'm gonna get rid of these. Perfect. So there it is. Now it's ready. Like the upper half is ready. So I'm just gonna use the mirror property and I'm gonna make it. I'll just make an axis here first so that we have a reference axis. Okay, I'll just leave this. I'm gonna use this horizontal axis. So I'm gonna select all of it, and I'm gonna mirror this with respect to. Okay, it's not gonna let me select. So yeah, I'll have to draw it. There you go. I'm gonna select all of it. Mirror this with respect to this axis, and there it is. So what we've done here is we basically drew one half. We found the symmetry. We drew one half, and we used the symmetry property to copy one half on the other side because Yeah, like I always say in my videos, look for, whenever you start sketching, look for symmetries in the drawings, because if you do that, it's going to make your life a lot more easier compared to you manually drawing certain elements of the sketch. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel, because that's going to help support it. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video with another drawing, which is going to be this one. So see ya.